Hello my friend on the internet. Today I welcome you on this exam, which is Microsoft Excel, known as Spreadsheet. We are going to correct all questions. So some students meet this problem on this exam. This exam because it's hard for many people. That's why I make this video to guide you guys how you can solve this exam, get all your marks. If you in my previous video, I teach you how you can solve the problem appear here when you see the color appear like installing extension or plugin not installed. In my previous video, you can go and check. I made video to guide you guys how you can solve it. It is easy, but you need to learn how you can do it in my previous video on my YouTube channel. Go and check. Excuse me, I don't tell my name. My name is Prince. I'm a student from university. Today I want to guide you and help you to gain all your marks. Be ready. Let's get started. The internet goes somehow slow, but we will manage it. Okay, let's now get started. This is the first question. Says create new blank worksheet. To create new blank worksheet, you come on File, like the same on the Word and PowerPoint. You come on File, then New. Tap here. This is new blank worksheet. Let's go on question 2. The internet is somehow slowly because the climate here is not good. Okay. On question 2, they're asking that open workbook draft in Z. This is easy. Come to open, then browser. Scroll down up, see this is a directory. Open in Z, draft in Z. That's it, then the answer. On question 3, they're asking that, on question 3, they're asking save this workbook to Z using file name data. Come to file, then save as, then browse, change the name, must be data. In Z, check if you are in Z, this is Z, then save, answer. Change username to Sue Davis. Excel username. To change username, we come to File, then Option, C username was John Smith, change it to Sue Davis. Then OK, then answer. The first question is very easy in Excel. Very easy, right? The same in Word and PowerPoint. Zoom the weather worksheet to 95% zoom. You can use this, push this up or down, or you can direct write the digit here is 95%, then answer. On question 6, where should you click to collapse the ribbon? The ribbon, we meet it in Excel, in Word, anywhere. Many people knows it. Ribbon is this. Tap here only, then answer. Question 7, they are asking that which one of the following is good practice to use to navigate to special cell in worksheet? Is go to tool. This is the last one. Where should you click to use to go to tool? Go to tool, you go here to find, then on this down arrow here, tap on it. That's it. On question 9, on weather worksheet, enter word in cell 9, enter number 33.1 in cell 9. First of all, you have to write cell. When you ask it question by cell, you have to write cell first here. It's cell C9. Then tap enter. Write what they are talking is 31.1. Then remember to remove cursor from the table. Then answer. On weather worksheet, change the font type of text in cell A to Arial. They are talking cell A1. You have to type first cell A1. Tap enter. This is the where they want to change to Arial. Arial, you have to come here and search. Arial is a typing style. Then Arial, then answer. On weather worksheet, change the number in cell F12 to 104.3. Also, type cell here is cell F12. Then tap enter. Change this number to 104.3. Then remember to remove cursor from the table, because when you left it, you lose your marks. You have to remove cursor from the table, then answer. On weather worksheet, apply italic format to the cell A2. You have to type cell faster, first cell A2, then change it to italic. This is italic they are talking about, is italic, as you can see. Tap on it, then answer. On weather worksheet, insert new column between the column E and F. To insert column, we have to select the last one they are talking about is F. Come here and select, use this down arrow, tab, select the last column, then under home tab, insert sheet column, tap on insert sheet column. As you can see, the new column is appear. Let's continue. On question 14, they are asking, on weather worksheet, copy the cell in F12 to cell G7. To copy, come and write the cell. They say F12, cell F12. This is the data we have in S12. Copy it. Then write the other cell is G7. Then tap enter. Then paste. As you can see, is the same, because it's copy. When it's cut, you have to move it, you cut it, then left only here is copy now. remove the cursor from the table, then answer. On question 15, on weather worksheet, move the content in cell S2 to cell G16. To move the content is to cut what he was talking about. C2 as a cell, then cut, this is cut here, then write G16, another cell, G16, then tap enter, then paste. That's it. Then answer. On question 16, they are asking that on weather worksheet, delete the column, delete the content in cell H13. First of all, you have to type the cell they are talking about is cell H13. To delete is like you can tap on delete key on your keyboard or backspace, then move the cursor. On weather worksheet, sort the cell range B18 and C23 by per year in descending order, large to small. First of all, you have to write the cell. Write all this cell here, or cell B18 and C23. This is the cell they are talking about, and they say by per year in descending order, large to small. We have to type our cell here, B18, C23. That's it. They say per year in descending order, large to small. You come here on sort and filter, then custom sort. They are saying per year, then descending is large to small. Then tap large to small, then tap OK, then answer. Question 18, there's asking that on weather worksheet, apply the 1000 separator format to cell range C9 and C23. You have to write first the cell C19 and C23, then tap enter. 1000 separator is this one. This is a percentage, this is dollar, this is 1000 separator. You see, this is it. Like where you're counting money, you put this 1000 separator. On question 19, they're asking on weather worksheet, use autofill tool to finish the incomplete list on this cell. Cell is B19, and B23. Tap enter, use autofill tool. To use autofill tool, you come here on fill, then series, tick on autofill tool, then OK. You see here there is the remaining digit not appear. You tap OK, then field to the end. Let's continue. On question 20, they're asking on whether worksheet use the appropriate command to find all occurrences of word Moscow, enter the number of time occur in cell B26, use figure. So first of all, you have to find the cell is cell B26 is this. Then go to find. We are going to find word Moscow. This is find. Write this word. Tap find or. As you can see, it's 9 cell. Then type 9 cell in B26. This is the way you can write it. Write 9, then remove the cursor, then answer. It is very easy. On question 21, on whether worksheet change the height value of row 1 to 30. We are going to increase the height. First of all, the cell, you have to write the cell here. The low one, this is the low one. To increase or decrease the height, you come to format. This is low height. Tap on it. They say instead of B19 must be 30. Then write 30. Then okay. That's it. Then answer. On with the worksheet, interfunction in cell D25 that calculate the average of cell range D19. To calculate the average or sum or multiplication, to solve this question, we have to first type the cell range they are talking about is D19, is this one, D19, and D23, then enter. This is the cell where you can see the average of it. You have to write it here. For getting formulas, you have formulas here. For average, you have to tap here. Then insert function. This is average. Tap on it. Then write the cell they are talking about. The range they are talking about is D19. Use capital letter D19 and D23. Then tap enter. This is average. You see the average is coming here in the cell C25, D25 as they are asking. Then answer. Let's continue on question 23. They're asking insert new blank worksheet. To insert new blank worksheet, you can use this way. You go to new or use this plus icon. Tap on it. This is new blank worksheet. Let's continue. Move the budget worksheet to the right of the weather worksheet. There is another way you can use, but this is the easy way. Drag and drop. That's it. Take budget from here to here. That's it to move. The network is not going well, but where should you click to open help function? In Excel, in Word, in PowerPoint, open function is here. Tell what you want. You use here when you want to search something you don't know about this PowerPoint or this Excel. Use here, that's why it's called help function. On question 26, they say switch to the budget worksheet. Budget worksheet is here. Switch on it, then answer. On budget worksheet, set low 1, so if always visible when scrolling the worksheet. To, to pin the low visible when scrolling, this is low 1. We have to select all or 1, then tap on review view, then this is freeze. We are going to freeze this low 1 appear even we are scrolling. Freeze the low. As you see, when you scroll, the first low still on the Excel, even other data is going. That is what we call freeze, visible when scrolling. Then the answer. Let's continue. On budget worksheet, merge and center the range A1 and F1. To merge and center, first of all, I have to write the cell they are talking about is A1, F1. Merge and center, this is merge and center. Under home tab, you see merge and center, then tap on it. Then go in center. Move the cursor, then answer. On question 29, on the budget worksheet, enter function in cell 4 that count the cell that contain number in the cell range C9 and E12. The cell they're talking about is cell C4. Count is we found count in the formula as we see average. See here, then this is count because they are saying counts. Then okay, right, the cell the range we have C9, E12. Then tap OK. That's it. Then answer. On budget worksheet, enter the function in cell E9 that subtract the cell C9 from D9. To subtract, also you can use formula or type your digit. First of all, we have to go to cell they are talking about is E9, cell E9. The subtract is minus. Let's write the formula because in the formulas we don't see subtract. This is another way you can solve this question. Type equal sign, then is C9 from D9, C9, then this D9. Use the bracket, cover them by bracket, then enter. This is the answer. Then answer. Let's continue. On question 31, on budget worksheet, apply currency format of your choice to cell C9 and E12. First of all, I have to write the cell is C9 and E12. Tap enter. We're gonna add the currency format. Currency format is one of these. You can choose euro, European watt, and dollars. Then tap dollars. See, the currency format is up here. On budget worksheet, in the function in cell E24 that round the number in cell E22 to 0 decimal place. First of all, I have to write cell is cell E24. This is E24, not it's E24. To make round number, you have to write the formula equal sign, then round, E22 to 0 decimal place. Tap E22, then 0 and cross the with bracket. That's it. Now let's correct it. You tap 0. You tap oh, this is 0. Yeah, this is the answer. Then answer. On budget worksheet, left align the content in cell C, cell D24 to D29. Left align is to put on left or right or up or down. Say left align. This is the cell they are talking about. Is the D20 cell D24 and the D29. D29. Then enter. They say left align. Come on home under home tab, search left align. This is it, left align. Then answer. Let's continue on question 34. They're asking that on budget worksheet interfunction in cells E26 that display yes if the number in E24 is greater than the number in E25 and otherwise display no. On this, you go to function, you have to use if function. Go to function, then if they say E24 greater than E25. Use this is greater than sign 25. Yes if is it true, type yes, then no if is false, then okay. See, the answer is up here is yes. Question 35, they're asking on budget worksheet, apply the different background color of your choice to the sales range D24 and D29. D24 the D29 and enter. Background color. To change the background color, you have to come here on this cap here. Even tap here, the color is changed. Like we're asking. Let's continue. On budget worksheet, enter a formula in cell E28 that divide cell E27 by cell E25. To divide, we use a slash. In cell E28, you have to write cell first. Cell E28. We're gonna write a formula. In the divide, we use a slash. Equal E27 slash E25. That's it. Then answer. On question 37, they're asking on budget worksheet, apply the percentage formatting to the cell E29. We have to type the cell. They're asking is cell E29. Tap enter. They say percentage to the cell. Percentage is here. That's it. Then answer. The network somehow slowly because the climate is changed here. So let's be patient somehow. Let's wait for the network. Let's continue. On question is at 7, they're asking on budget worksheet apply percentage formatting to set in 29 because of the network. The question is repeated. E29 tau is here, not is here, percentage. Then the answer. The network still slowly, so let's try to change. Try to change network because this one is going slowly. Name is to change network. Okay, let's continue on question. This question is also repeated because of the network. Let me answer it. Okay, on question 39, 38, they're asking on budget worksheet, apply the text swapping to the cell C3031. On budget worksheet, apply the text swapping to the cell C31. In they are talking about cell C31. Text swapping. You see this word not fit in this table. That's why we need text swapping. Text swapping is this. Tap on it, then as you can see, word now fit in this table. Then answer. On question 39, they're asking that on budget worksheet, apply the light gray table style medium 8 on the cell range B7 E22. Use existing header for the table. The way they say they are talking about is B7 and E22. They say medium table. About the table, use this. This is the table. This is medium. This is table style 1. Then can scroll down till you find 8. This is 8. Style medium 8. This is the table. Then okay. Then answer. Let's continue on the question 40. On budget worksheet, copy only format from cell C31 and apply it to cell range B32 and B37. Let's find the cell C31. You have to copy this and put on this cell B37 from here to down, which is called text painter. Use this text painter. Then scroll down. You see this brush, then from here tap on this, then do this. See, this is the way. On the budget worksheet, enter formula in cell C32 using multiplication sign that multiplicate cell C14 by a cell E28. To subtract, the cell is cell C32. The cell they are talking about is cell C32. We have to subtract 14 by E24. Use equal sign. Subtract, we use C14. Use this sign, and E28. See, the answer is up here. Continue. On budget worksheet, change the formula in cell C32 so that reference to the cell E28 does not change. The formula is copied. So they're talking about the cell E32 and E28. Cell E32 and 28. The cell is C32 and E28. On here we are going to make formula not change when copy. You tap here to make formula not change when copy. We have to add a sign like $sign or percentage sign, but we are going to use a $sign here to make formula not change when copied. The $sign is on 4 on your keyboard, on 4. Tap shift then 4. See, that is the way. Then answer. On budget worksheet, apply bottom double border to the cell range C21 and E21. Let's first find the cell E21 and cell E21. We are going to add the bottom double border. We come to